Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now.
Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing no recipe, no ingredients and no cooking. You've heard my voice in so many videos, but today I wanted to thank you face to face. Since the day we started, your love has helped us cross over 5 million views and 55,000 subscribers. But numbers aren't what matter most. Your comments, your encouragement, your feedback, your prayers, your love and support, and even your cooking stories from home, this is what truly keeps us going.
Every time you say you tried a recipe, cooked it for your family, or felt reminded of home, we read it, we feel it, and we are deeply grateful.
This channel is more than just recipes. It is a shared journey built on your trust, love, and constant support.
From our family to yours, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for watching.